In my last surprise build video, I tried to make a 13-year-old cry. Now, let's see if I can make a streamer cry. On stream. Live. Hello Internet! Matt, aka Matloc here. And I'm here again to surprise someone with a computer. That's right, I'm going to surprise someone with a shiny new PC. For gaming, and streaming, and video editing, and whatever she wants to do with it. You see, about a month ago, I was in Kiyeberries' stream. Kiyeberries, if you don't know her, is a streamer friend of mine whom I met through Heroes Hearth, and has helped me a lot with my streaming and YouTube career ever since. And Kai's playing on a bit of a potato. She has transitioned from just doing Heroes of the Storm to streaming a lot of other stuff, and she can't really get frames in World of Warcraft or not experience lag and things like that. And when this is what you do, that's a bit of a problem. So I said, hey Kai, I have a 2080 lying around. Why don't we see if we can upgrade that, I don't remember what it was, a 1060, a 1070 that you have, and I'll send you out a 2080 and all will be right with the world. So we worked on that a little bit. And then Meatyard found out. That's right, Kiyeberries' significant other is a man who goes by the name of Meatyard. This guy right here messaged me secretly in a clandestine manner and said, hey Matloc, what if I give you a budget and we build Kai a computer? And I said, let's do it! Look, there's even a candle that says, this year has been a century. If it is, you're gonna blow out the part, right? I'm gonna, like, blur out my mouth and beep it every time I say So you guys are just gonna hear, this year has been a century. You can infer what the is. And probably because this year has been a century, that's part of the reason that Meatyard wanted to build her a computer, because this year has been a century. So with a budget of about $800 and roughly a month because we wanted to get it out around Christmas time, I said I'll do some bargain shopping. We'll see what happens. We'll put together a computer and we'll surprise Kiyeberries. And that's exactly what happened. I have a bunch of parts floating around. It's a little bit before Christmas. You can kind of see the tree right there. Actually, let me just take this one, because this is why I have, yeah, see? Trees over there. Parts are down, you can see them in the box, kind of. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go set the parts up back there. We will show you everything that's going in this build. We'll build the computer, and we'll reveal it. And we'll see if I can make a streamer cry after trying to make a 13-year-old cry. The 13-year-old didn't really cry. Maybe we'll get Kiyeberries? I don't know. Let's see what's going in this computer. Alright, so here we have all of Kai's components. Let's go through what it is that we are putting in this rig. Let's start with the chassis. We're using a Corsair 4000D Airflow. It's a great case. I've really enjoyed building in it. The one thing I don't love about it is the yellow accents. It's just kind of going to clash with what we're planning on doing, but I'll see how I can fix that in a little bit. We're using an EVGA Supernova 750 G5 750 watt modular power supply, an EVGA RTX 2080. That was the impetus for this build. I was going to be giving it to Kai regardless, and then Meatyard said, hey, let's do a build. So here we are. We've got an AMD Ryzen 7 3700 XT. That will go into an Asus Prime X570 Pro, and it will be cooled by a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. 32 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, 3600, I believe that's CAS latency 18. We've got a Viper 512 gig PCIe M.2, 6 in-1 series Loop RGB fans, which will be replacing the fans that are in here. I'm probably going to take the two fans that come stock in this and see how they do in push-pull on the 212 Black. And then a little more RGB goodies. We've got an Ergu RGB LED strip to go with those fans. And for the first time ever, I'm using a power supply extension set. Sleeve power supply extensions. I've used sleeved cables before, but never extensions. So we'll see how this goes. And yeah, now I guess we're just going to build it. So here we go. Build montage. All right, so I think the build went pretty well. I hope you think the build went pretty well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set the computer up up here on my bar. I'm going to take my webcam or something, and we're going to hop in a stream with Kiye and see if I can not tip her off as to what's going on and show the computer off. And let's see if I can make a streamer cry this time. See you in a few. That's better. Okay. Is Meatyard around by chance?
Meatyard is over there. I see him.
Okay, good. Because I'm going to need his opinion as well. Could you, by chance, just click over to my stream real fast? I need your opinion. This is a very, very big deal, and I honestly just trust and respect your opinion greatly. I'm coming.
Gotcha. Okay,
there's
an ad with Post Malone eating Doritos. Okay, now I'm here, fully engaged.
No Post Malone, that's right. So I just need your opinion on if this is like
best friends. Yep.
Too much, or if this is just enough, because this person's significant other is a streamer, and I said I'm gonna go a little above and beyond for you. So I did some things to this computer, like I put the logo on it. Is that too much lighting? Is the logo wrong?
Oh. Why does it have my logo on it?
Because it's your computer.
Why? Why is it my computer?
It's your computer because, like, a little while ago, Meatyard messaged me and he said, "Hey, Kiye needs a new computer.
What did you do?
What?
Let's make this happen."
What did you do?
What?
What? What did you...
So what we did was we messaged each other a whole bunch. And over Discord, we decided that we're going to build you a new computer. And then I got a local artist to etch your logo into the glass. And I put some
logo
lighting
into the glass?
And I'm shipping this out to you tomorrow. And it's going to be by you pretty soon.
Oh my god, I can't handle this. I can't. You what? Oh.
Are you there?
Oh, he opened it back up. Sorry, I was being really awkward. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of freaking out. It's so pink.
Well, good. I mean, that's the reaction. You're also going to be in a YouTube video, full disclosure.
Oh.
So that's kind of what I was going for.
I feel so sweaty right now.
But I hope you like it.
Oh,
you now have a Ryzen 7 3800 XT, 32
what
gigs
that
of RAM,
means.
a new 500 gig
I
M.2,
don't know what that is either.
big AO cooler, a bunch of really cool
What?
lighting, your logo etched into the glass, all in a Corsair 4000
Etched logo.
airflow.
That's cool.
So enjoy it, and you have a much better PC, and you won't be stuttering in Orbis anymore.
Can't like Ben Orbos. Thank you, Matloc. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank me.
Well,
Built the damn
I mean,
thing.
he built it. He says, "Don't thank me, thank Meatyard."
All right, thanks for your opinion. I hope that it's not like too gaudy or anything.
It's
Obviously,
so pretty.
you can change
so
the
pretty.
lighting as you see fit.
Can it be pink?
Yeah, I was all supposed to be pink, but I added a lot of this lighting today. And I added a whole bunch of other stuff like right before I reveal this to you, so.
Matloc, can you confirm that we were talking in Discord and I might have had to turn off my monitor so Kiyeberries wouldn't see anything?
I thought it was
Yes, that is
porn.
accurate. It was not porn, it was me.
That's so funny. I assumed it was like really weird shit too, because I was like, man, like I'm usually down for just about anything. So what's it got to be that he turned off the monitor that I couldn't see it?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Hey, this is what it was. What's up? But yeah, I'll be shipping this out to you tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be there for Christmas. If not, it'll be there shortly thereafter. And enjoy the hell out of it, because it's a pretty ballin' rig.
I'm so excited. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll be right back. I have to give you hugs and stuff.
I'll head it out. Don't worry. I'll be in your chat. Build went well. Reveal went well. Surprisingly well. I don't know if she cried. She ran off camera. She covered the camera. Meatyard was right there. It wasn't porn, it was me. I found that very amusing in her chat. Regardless, you guys haven't really seen the computer yet. You saw me put it together. You saw it when it was over there. Now it's over here. I'm gonna take some B-roll of it. I'm gonna ship it. Enjoy the computer porn. See you in a bit. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a fun one for me. I hope Kiyeberries enjoys the computer. I hope it was a fun one for her as well. Meatyard, thank you very much. A very, very special thanks to Jenna, whose Instagram is going to come up right here. Jenna did all of the etching on the glass, which I think turned out impeccable. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram. She's a local artist here in Jersey City, and she did a phenomenal job. Thanks to my wife for recommending her. She knows her through a women's group, and she just did a bang-up job. It was really great. On that note, thanks for hanging out. Again, my name is Matt, aka Matloc. Videos are going to come out weekly. Follow me on social media where I post things like this. Instagram, Twitch, Twitter, TikTok, because I'm doing that now. Why not? And make sure you check me out on Twitch. I'm going to be streaming a little more frequently. Definitely Fridays, probably Saturdays, and then other days during the week as well. Expect about 3 or 4 streams a week from me from now on. Thank you for hanging out. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's here! Thank you, Meatyard and Matloc, for my Christmas computer. It is here, and we're going to open the box. Nova's gonna help. Nova, you gotta move your head. We thought the only gift we were getting for Christmas was Nova's surgery. The Christmas elves brought us a whole computing device. This seems so dangerous. Here it is. Okay, all right. Move your face. I don't see the dinosaur. How do you see it? Do you think you only see it when it's plugged in? Maybe.
Not that it matters, but you have it on its butt.
I have it on its butt? Oh, okay. Ooh, what's this? It has my name on it. It says Kiyeberries. It has my name. But what is it? It's magnetized. All the little trimmings are pink. Thanks, Matloc! Now we have to plug it in.